Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. So now my peeps, please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. I have make a green smoothie in a little bit. Well, not on camera, alright? So today we're gonna make a super healthy power green smoothie, alright? Now you can get this in the supermarket. It marks power green, alright? 3 combo in it. So it has spinach, baby pak choy, and baby chads, okay? This green smoothie is super healthy, full of antioxidants. It's a super green, it's a power green as they call it, all right? And this is my spirulina and my wheatgrass and my kale powder and moringa powder, all right? And another one. So we're gonna add some of that, okay? So first let's add this. I'm gonna put like a little bit of teaspoon. For my sea moss, I'm gonna put a tablespoon. You can use water to blend this, guys. I'm gonna use some almond milk. I'm gonna put about 1/4 finger of banana. I'm gonna add my greens. Just add everything. Oh, I have half an apple. And I'm gonna put 2 pieces of pineapple. We're not gonna add any sugar today. You can put some honey if you want. I have honey over there. This is my unsweetened almond milk, all right? You want to get the unsweetened, and then if you want it sweet, you can add a little bit of honey, all right? We're gonna add about 1 cup, something like that. And you don't need to put any ice because the pineapple was frozen. And we're just gonna blend away. All right, guys, and this is how you're gonna serve it up. Look at that goodness. All right, we're gonna pour some in. It's 2 servings, guys. We're just gonna pour the rest in here, guys. Yay. All right, guys, and this is it. We get 2 glasses for 2 servings for you and your husband, you and your friend. Drink one now, drink one later, drink one in the morning. And this is it, guys, my super power green smoothie. Antioxidants, it's a super food, gonna clean and build your immune system, packed with vitamins. Yeah, good for your health, a good complete heart health, lower blood pressure, good for blood flow. Yeah, good for diabetes. It's a super green. All right, guys, love upon me and I love upon you. Bye, guys. All right, guys, I'm out front and I'm gonna taste it for you. Amazing.